Hi, welcome to Simple, a guided audio series for your DIY nature and forest therapy practice. My name is Youmin. I'm a certified forest therapy guide and trainer. I am also the founder of Forest With You. In this short audio, I will be walking you through how to use this guided audio series. You might want to think of this like a self-guided audio tour, similar to those you might find in a museum. Only this one takes place in nature. So as you walk, as you sit, or as you rest in your green space, I will be your guide in your pocket. So before you begin, please make sure to download the audio tracks onto the device that you will be bringing with you. In that way, you can listen offline without interruptions from poor signal connections. And when you have arrived at your chosen nature spot, simply press play and follow along with my voice and guidance. At times, there will be long pauses of silence, and these are intentional. They provide you space to slow down and engage with the invitations that I offer. So please let the audio continue playing during these pauses. I will let you know when it is time to move on to the next. At some points, I will also invite you to journal. During these journaling segments, please feel free to pause the audio and take as much time as you need. There is no rush. When you are done with your journaling, simply press play again to continue the track and to continue your practice. Now, alongside the full-length audio, you will also find shorter tracks. These are individual segments that are taken from the full-length journey. You can use these if you want more flexibility in the duration of each invitation, or if you want to revisit specific invitations. So let us now mention a little about journaling. There is no right or wrong way to journal. You are welcome to write about anything that comes up for you. And these can be feelings, sensations, memories, stories. Sometimes even just a word, doodle, or a sketch might suffice. You are welcome to write a lot or write very little. And sometimes you might also find yourself journaling about matters that don't seem to be related to nature and forest therapy, or not related to what you were just doing a few moments before. And that is all welcome. Whatever that feels honest and helpful for you are welcome onto your pages. Because this is your journey. So please go with what feels comfortable and natural for you. So at the end of each practice, you are also invited to share your stories and takeaways on our community's Padlet platform. This is a free-to-use online space where we can allow our stories to be witnessed and witness others at the same time. Your sharing is fully controlled by you, and you will only be identified by the name you use to set up your Padlet account. And this can also be changed at any time. The unique link to our Padlet community and more details can be found in the PDF guide that accompanies this audio. There is something magical, supportive, and surprising when we share and when we connect with others on the journey. So maybe you might want to let this become a closing ritual for yourself. After receiving from a personal and individual forest therapy practice, you give back to nature and the community your words and your inspirations. So that is all you need to know to get started. Once you are ready, I will meet you in the next audio.